Hello, dear learners. Welcome to Amuse. Happy to see you here, guys. I believe you are making good practice of spoken English and getting ready with cue card preparations too. I am Amrita Shan, and making things easy, interesting, and impressive for you guys is a passion with me. So let's get started for today and see which topic we are going to practice with the help of hints. Describe a book which you read and would like to read again. एक बुक को के बारे में डिस्क्राइब करें जो आपने पढ़ी और जिसे आप फिर पढ़ना चाहेंगे. How did you hear about it and when did you read it? कैसे सुना आपने इस बुक के बारे में एंड आपने इस बुक को कब पढ़ा. What was it about? ये बुक किस बारे में थी and why do you want to read it again? और आप इस बुक को फिर से क्यों पढ़ना चाहते हैं. And explain if you would recommend this book to others. और ये भी बताएं क्या ये आप बुक किसी अपने फ्रेंड को रिकमेंड करेंगे, आप उसे भी पढ़ने को कहेंगे. So we are going to start with our introduction and we are going to focus on the hints. So read some books growing up. Importance of reading. आप बोल रहे हैं कि जैसे जैसे आप बड़े हुए आपने कुछ बुक्स पढ़ी क्योंकि आप बुक्स का इम्पोर्टेंस को समझते हैं. Expand knowledge, communication skills, creativity, make critical, analytical, smarter, knowledgeable, humble, broadens our vision, perspective, enhance learning abilities, and the books bring us pleasures. है ना, रीडिंग हम जब रीड करते हैं बुक्स तो वी फील हैप्पी एंड फिर हम बता रहे these all are the importance of this is all the importance of books we are going to talk about. And then you are saying the name, you are telling the name of the book that you read. The Four Agreements, written by Don Miguel Ruiz. So you are talking about a book, the name of the book and the name of the writer. So let's see that how you are going to say it in English. Listen to me carefully because after that you will pause the video and you will practice it for yourself. First of all, I want to tell that I have read some books growing up. As I was growing up, my parents always encouraged me to read books. So that is why I realize I know what is the importance of reading. When we read some book, it expands our knowledge, improves our communication skills, and our mind become more analytical, critical, creative. The knowledge that we get from the book make us humble and the smarter. It improves our vision, perspectives about life, and definitely it also enhances our learning abilities. Not to think about the joy and the pleasure that book reading brings to us. Today I am going to talk about a book. The name of the book is The Four Agreements. It is written by Don Miguel Ruiz. So this is the introduction that we have given and we have started speaking on the topic. So let's go to the next. Our first cue is, how did you hear about it? Father, an avid reader, encourages to read good books, got a gift from his friend, recommended me, I came to know. I believe that you have got the storyline. अब यहाँ पे हम बोल रहे हैं कि फादर जो है वो बहुत क्यूरियस रहते हैं रीडिंग के लिए. जो मेरे फादर हैं वो एविड रीडर हैं, मेरे को बुक्स रीडिंग के लिए एनकरेज करते हैं. तो उनको एक बुक उनके फ्रेंड ने गिफ्ट किया. बहुत अच्छा बुक था वो और उन्होंने मुझे भी एडवाइस किया कि मैं वो बुक पढूं. तभी मुझे इस बुक के बारे में पता चला. सो यू आर सेइंग दैट योर फादर is an avid reader. Dear learner, if you make practice of spoken English and cue card in this way, you are going to get many good words and these good words are going to become very common for you. I hope you are realizing the importance of this practice. So let's go with this cue. You will say that my father is an avid reader. He is a great lover of books. A few years back, it happened that his friend gifted him a book, and when my father read it, he found it very good. So he also advised me to go for it. He recommended me to read the book. At that time, when my father gave it to me, I came to know about this book. So this is the storyline we created. We could say it easily in English. Practice it with Practice it for yourself, and then come to the next cue. When did you read it? So the next question is, I could call it a question. It is a cue. I would say that it is a question. So when did you read it? So आप बोल रहे हैं कि read during vacation, after 10th class, all time free, good pastime, read leisurely, written in English, published in 2001, publisher Amber Allen, and 168 pages book. So simple hints are there. You will say that I read it when I was studying in 10th class. After my final examination, I had a long vacation. So during the vacation, I got a chance to read this book. I was having all free time. I took it as a hobby. It became my great pastime. I didn't make any haste in reading. I read the complete book in a very leisure manner. And the book was, I want to tell the name of the book was The Four Agreements. And it was published by Amber Allen in 2001. The book is not a long reading, it is not a lengthy reading because the book contains only 168 pages. So this is done again. Pause the video here for yourself and make practice. Going to the next cue. What was it about? और अब आप बताने वाले हैं कि वो किस चीज के बारे में था. So focus on the hints. Great book to start with. Easy to read, not too long. Based on 4 agreements in life. 4 agreements के ऊपर based है. 4 agreements जो हम अपने साथ कर सकते हैं with our own self. Be impeccable with your words. जब भी आप बात करते हैं तो आप अच्छे शब्दों का सिलेक्शन करें. Do not परफेक्ट वर्ड्स का सिलेक्शन करें. डू नॉट टेक एनीथिंग पर्सनली. किसी भी बात को अपने ऊपर अपने साथ उसको अटैच नहीं करें. एंड डू नॉट मेक एजम्पशंस. सच्चाई को जाने, अपने अनुमान मत लगाएं. ऑलवेज डू योर बेस्ट. और जो भी आप काम करते हैं वो बहुत बढ़िया ढंग से करें. राइटर गोज डीप इनटू विद इम्पोर्टेंट. वाई इम्पोर्टेंट. तो राइटर ने इन्हीं रूल्स को, इन्हीं 4 प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ लाइफ को बहुत डीपली एक्सप्लेन किया है. और ये जो रूल्स हैं इजी टू रिमेम्बर हैं, लाइफ मंत्रास हैं, कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट है हर किसी के लिए. तो मेरे लिए इसको माइंड में रखना इजी है. और मेरा जो लाइफ है वो कंपैरेटिवली हैप्पी, फुल ऑफ लव एंड इजियर बना है. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट वी आर गोइंग टू से एंड वी आर टेलिंग दैट व्हाट द बुक इज अबाउट. सो फिलोसॉफिकल बुक हम बोल सकते हैं इसको. So you will say that, well, I want to tell that it is a wonderful book with the great philosophies for life. And this book is really good for the people who want to start, who want to develop their interest in reading. This book is basically based on 4 agreements of life. And these are the agreements that we should make with ourselves. The first agreement is that we are not going to use any rude or any hurting word for other. We should use very impeccable words. We should use very selective and the good words, and we should be very impeccable in the use of it. We should use the words perfectly. Second important rule the book tells is that when we are in conversation with others and talking about the things in journal, we should not take anything personally, because if we take something personally, it may hurt us or we may not feel very comfortable or we may take it in a wrong manner. The third principle of life, the book says, is that do not make assumptions. Just go and try to know the truth. Do not make guesses about the situations and other people. Finally, the book suggests that whatever you do, always try to give your best. If you are a student, you are a teacher, you are a professional, as a daughter, mother, father, whatever relation you are in, always try to give your best. I believe that these are wonderful mantras of life. These are very important and easy things to keep in mind. I always take care of these four conducts of life, and my life has gone really very happy. I feel love for everyone. I do not assume anything until unless I know the truth. I make use of good words for others. I always try to give the best, and importantly, I do not mind what other people say, because I do not take the things personally. So these are the things the book says about, and these principles are really very helpful in leading a good life. So we have explained all the four principles of the four agreements given in the book, and we have spoken with a good volume. Pause the video here, try to see that how you practice, and then we will take then I take this cue for you. Why do you want to read it again? तो इस पे देखते हैं क्या स्टोरी लाइन है हमारा. एवरी रीडिंग न्यू विजन, रिमार्केबल राइटिंग, रिमार्केबली रिटर्न. जब भी हम पढ़ते हैं हमें एक नया नजरिया मिलता है इस बुक से, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही बढ़िया ढंग से लिखी गई बुक है. ग्रेट चॉइस ऑफ वर्ड्स. हमारी वोकैब भी इम्प्रूव होता है क्योंकि इसमें बहुत अच्छे वर्ड्स यूज किए गए हैं. गुड फॉर मी इंग्लिश लर्नर, गेट डायरेक्शन टू लाइफ. क्योंकि मैं एक इंग्लिश लर्नर भी हूँ, मेरे लिए इसलिए भी ये बुक अच्छी है. एंड इससे मेरे को जो है जीने के लिए डायरेक्शंस भी मिलती हैं. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली यू कैन आल्सो से कि मैंने कुछ देर पहले पढ़ा था, और अगर मैं आज के टाइम में इस बुक को पढ़ता हूँ तो मेरे को डेफिनेटली मैं और मैच्योरिटी से पढ़ूंगा. So you are saying that why do you want to read it again? Well, I want to read it again because the book is remarkably written. Every time I read the book, I get a new vision, new perspective, which makes me better and more humble person. The choice of words in this book, the beautiful words that the writer has used writing the book, is very good for me because I am also English learner. I am also an English learner. So when I read the book, I get a chance to get good words. It improves my English, it gives me direction to life, and it makes me more humble, more modest and knowledgeable person. This is the reason I want to read this book. Pause the video here. Practice it by yourself. Our last cue is, and explain if you would recommend this book to others. तो क्या आप ये दूसरों को भी बोलेंगे कि आप भी ये बुक पढ़ें? Let's focus on the hints. Recommend as a new experience, transform our life, bring us out limited belief, which rob us of joy, create needless sufferings, people in grip immaterial thoughts. My friend Vimsy need this book. द फोर प्रिंसिपल. तो यहाँ पे हिंट्स जो है वो बोल रहे हैं कि हाँ मैं इसे रिकमेंड करूंगा, सभी को रिकमेंड करूंगा, बट पर्टिकुलरली मैं अपने एक फ्रेंड को रिकमेंड करूंगा जो कि डे ड्रीमर है, विम्सी नेचर का है, उसके कुछ नैरो थॉट्स हैं, तो उसको इस बुक की बहुत ज़रूरत है, क्योंकि इस बुक से जो है हमें न्यू एक्सपीरियंस मिलता है, लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्म हो जाती है, और ये हमारी लिमिटेड बिलीफ से बुक बाहर निकालती है। समटाइम्स जो हमारी नैरो थिंकिंग रहती है, जो बेवजह हमारे को हमारी खुशियों से दूर कर देती है और हमारी लाइफ में कुछ दुख तकलीफ ले आती है हमारी सोच, तो ये जो बुक है इन सब चीजों से बचने के लिए बहुत अच्छी है, इसलिए मैं सभी को रिकमेंड करना चाहूंगा। So let's see that how you would say it in English. You will say that, well, I would love to recommend this book to all my friends and my near dear ones, because this book is written in a wonderful manner. This is a book that tells us that life is worth living. Sometimes it happens I start giving my own views in it. Life is worth living रहने देते हैं, जो hints है उसी पे cover करते हैं. So the book is I would like to recommend it to everyone because this book really gives us a great vision to lead a life. I would love to recommend it to one of my friends who is very whimsical by nature, who is whimsy, who is a daydreamer. Because he has some limited thoughts, unnecessarily he remains in a grip of sufferings. He is not enjoying his life to the full. And the same happens with sometime with the people who remain in grip of their limited thoughts and do not see the life in real perspective. This book is a good reading for everyone. So I believe this is done with our last cue also. And now you will keep the complete cue card topic in front of you and you will practice it. Fix the timer and do it for you. If I answer all the questions in a short way for you, dear learners, so you will say that first of all, I understand the importance of reading books, and growing up, I have definitely read couple of books or many number of books. Today, I am going to tell you about a book. The name of the book is The Four Agreement, and written by you are giving the name of the writer. And then you will say that I heard about the book from my father. He had got the book from his friend and he recommended me to read it. I read it when I was free in during vacation after my 10th examination. I was not doing anything important, so as my father advised me, I started reading the book. What was it about? Well, it is a book that is based on the four mantras of life, in which the writer tells that there are four important things, four principles that we should keep in our mind to lead a very happy and comfortable life. I want to read it again because I believe that at that time I had read the book only to improve my knowledge, only to get some good words. But today I am mature enough, and if I read it again, I am going to get new perspective for life because every time I read it, I get something new out of it. It is written in such a beautiful manner. It is written in such a remarkable manner, and definitely I would like to recommend it to others. I would like to recommend it to everyone because here lies the secret of leading a happy life. And most importantly, I would like to recommend it to my friend who is mm, whimsical nature, who is a daydreamer, who really remains in grip of his limited and narrow thoughts. So in this way, I have given you all the points in brief, but you are going to make the complete long practice. And yes, make sure that you practice it well. We have used many good words in the video, and you are going to write any two words that you like the most in the comment box. So dear learners, like, comment, share, and it's done for today. I will see you in the next video soon. So till then, take care. Bye bye.